So let's see now an application involving a right triangle. So we have to find a missing side or a missing angle in a word problem. So now we're going to solve a word problem. So in this case, we have that from a point on level ground, 80 feet from the base of the Eiffel Tower, the angle of elevation is 85.4 degrees. So remember that angle of elevation is an angle with respect to a horizontal line. So this is an angle of elevation. Okay. So it's always an angle with respect to a horizontal line. So here the ground is the horizontal line. We have a point here, 80 feet from the base of the Eiffel Tower. So this is the Eiffel Tower. So this is 80 feet. And then from this point, we have an angle of elevation of 85.4 degrees. We want to approximate the height of the Eiffel Tower to the nearest foot. So this side of the triangle, this is a right triangle. So usually in applications, you don't have to find all the missing values, just the ones that the problem is asking you to find. So in this case, it's this side A. So how do we find A? What trigonometric function can we use to find A? We can use tangent because let's say this is the angle and then we have opposite side and adjacent side. So the tangent of 85.4 degrees is equal to the opposite side A divided by the adjacent side 80. And then how do we find A? You can multiply by 80 both sides. And then use your calculator. So 80 times the tangent of 85.4. And it says something about the rounding. Yes, to the nearest foot. So to the nearest whole number. A will be equal to 994 if we round it to the nearest whole number. So always read the rounding rule when you're solving a right triangle. Okay, so the answer is 994.